Today we're gonna draw some scarecrows. We are here to draw some scarecrows. We're gonna scare those critters away that are eating all our food in the garden, aren't we? All right, Odin, we're gonna start with a hat, a scarecrow hat, and our scarecrow hat's gonna look like this. So we're gonna start with an upside down U, and we're gonna start with a line that goes from here over to here. It's gonna be a big gardener's hat. Can you do that?
Hey guys, check out our candy corn scarecrow. Link in the description.
Good job, buddy.
Oh.
That's okay. So, the bottom of the hat is going to look like this. It's going to be a little wiggly and wavy because it's worn out. It's an old scarecrow hat. Nice job. We're going to add a detail to the hat right here. We're going to put a line that goes like this. Good. Next, we're going to have the scarecrow is going to have a round face. Okay? I'm going to put a round face right underneath this hat. Good job. That's awesome. Now we're going to do some eyes, okay? Are you ready for the eyes? Mm-hmm. One eye is a button, and it's got a couple of dots. Those are for the thread to go through, so that's a button. Couple of dots. And I'm just going to do 4 because when we practiced, we did 6. Nice. Now, this side is just a patch. It's like a round patch, and it's bigger. It happens to be bigger, which is cool. Makes the scarecrow look more authentic. And then he has a mouth, no nose, but he has a smile mouth with stitches. He's a happy scarecrow. Okay, now there's a couple of different ways we can do the hair. We can either do straight lines of black coming out, or I think what I'm gonna do, because I want to color it yellow, I'm gonna have my scarecrow hair look like this. And then I'm just gonna color it yellow. And it doesn't have to be neat because it's all hay. It's all hay. Okay? How are you gonna do your hair?
Only yellow.
You're gonna just wait till we color and just color it in yellow?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Same
Cool.
with the arms.
Okay, cool. Now, speaking of arms, we're gonna add the arms on. Okay? And the arms are really just gonna be a great big long stick. So on each side, we're gonna go out with a straight line. And mine's on a little bit of an angle. I don't know how you're gonna do yours, Odin. Mine's on a little bit of an angle. Good job. Nice and big. Okay, now, this is really just a stick. Okay, so the end of it is gonna kind of look like a broken stick on each side. Don't make them the same, okay? Now before I decide what I'm gonna do with this line, I'm gonna actually draw the sleeves of the coat, because this guy's wearing a coat. Okay, and I've got sleeve coming out this far, so I'll do a curved line there, and I'm gonna try to make it similar in size. Ooh, so this one's closer to the edge, and I've got a sleeve coming out this far. Do you know how to do that type of measuring? So if you want the sleeve to be the same distance from his chin, you put one end on the chin and one end on the marker. Oh, so this one will come right out towards the end, right here. Okay, good job. Kind of just like Dad's. It's good. Good job, Odin. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect each of these, and we're gonna draw some hay in there. And hay is just a few lines of black, just poking out. Also, guys, take the time to check out our cool Festive Fall playlist. Link is also in the description.
And I'll
Good.
do some.
You're gonna do some yellow too. He's gonna wait till he gets the yellow marker out. Okay, next, we are going to draw where the sleeve comes into the body. And it can be a little bit wavy. You can do that on both sides. A little bit wavy. Okay, now we're going to show that this is a jacket. the Scarecrow's wearing a jacket, so that's also going to be a wavy line on both sides. I might have the sleeves kind of overlap just a bit. Ooh, I like that, Odin. It's a nice big coat. We're going to show that this is a jacket by drawing the lapel, which is going to come down like this. It's going to go all the way out to the side. One motion. Like a farm coat. Okay, cool. Now, this other one is going to come right into that side. And then up here, I'm going to make like a V. Yeah, like that. That's awesome. Okay, now, he's also wearing a shirt underneath. So we're going to show a collar of that shirt by doing that. A little curve under the chin. I feel like we should add our bird. We're going to add our bird. And we're going to do... Are you ready? We're going to do a little curve like an S. It's like a snake curve, I call it. Make it pretty big, okay? Pretty big. Good. Yeah, that's good. Now, we're going to make a little beak right like that. And then we're going to mimic this other curve down and around like that. Do you want some help? Nice job. That's going to be a really cool ducky. I mean, birdie. We're going to do an eye. And then we're going to put a wing on. And then we're going to put on a little foot. A couple little feet. One is going behind. Okay. Next, we're going to draw the stick that the Scarecrow is being held up by. So that's going to come right out of here. And again, it doesn't have to be super... It's going to be a little wiggly, a little wavy, okay? And down here, way down here, we're going to draw the ground. And the ground is obviously not straight. It's going to be a little jaggedy, okay? Ooh, I like your ground. Very good. Now what are we going to draw sticking out of the ground?
Hay.
Well, in this case, it's going to be grass, right? Grass turns into hay if you cut it down and let it dry. But remember, to draw the grass, you're going to do just some quick strokes with your Sharpie or your pencil or whatever marker you're using. And there you have what looks like grass sticking out. Now we're ready to color this guy, Odin. Did you have fun? All right, let's get in the coloring zone. Put the cap on your marker. We can just color these however we want. Crows. They're so scary. They scare all the crows away. They're doing their job. Ready? On three. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you liked drawing these. Did you have fun, Odin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think everyone at home liked drawing these with us?
Yeah.
So be as creative as you want. Did you have fun being creative?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, cool. So what do we say to these guys?
Keep drawing, stay
Until we see you next time. Keep drawing, stay awesome. Bye.